In this video, I will show you how you can install Facebook Messenger on your iPad 11 A16. Now to do that, first of all, just open the control center on your iPad, then go to the connection section. Over here, just make sure that your iPad is connected with your Wi-Fi network. After that, just go to your home screen and open Settings. Under Settings, just tap on your Apple ID. Over here, just make sure that you're signed into your Apple ID. After you've done that, now just go to your home screen and open the App Store. And in the App Store, just tap on your profile icon over here. And also over here, just make sure that you're signed into your Apple ID. After you've done that, now just tap on anywhere on the screen. And in the search bar, just search this. Now just select the Messenger app. Then tap on Get to install the Messenger app. Just select Install. Now it might ask you to enter the password of your Apple ID before installing the app. If it asks you, just enter the password of your Apple ID to continue the downloading process. And as you can see, we have successfully installed Facebook Messenger on our iPad. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.